Hey guys, back with another video. Today I'm going to be trying to attempt to make cabbage. I don't know how to cook, so we're going to see how this goes. I'm about to chop up and do the onions and stuff now. Alright, so now I'm just about to cut up the onion. I don't know if you're supposed to wash this off or not, but it looks a little dingy, so I think I'm going to go do that. And I'm not about to use this whole onion, so I'm just going to cut it in half. Don't be judging my little cutting skills, because they not it either. I really wish this stupid part would come off, because ew, what the heck. Okay, cool. Why are my eyes watering? I'm making cabbage.
Cabbage what? Is that what it's called?
Yeah. Alright, so now I'm gonna cut up the sausage. I really don't know how I need to cut up these, but we're just gonna do it. Alright, so now I'm about to cut this up. I heard somebody say cut like through the middle. So I'm gonna do that. This is so uneven, but okay. And they said they don't use these pieces, so I'm taking it off. they said like cut it in a triangle and then it should like plop out. Okay, it's not doing that. Okay, there it goes. Okay, so I'm gonna like cut it in half. And I want it to be cute. So let's hope however I cut it is cute. I'm gonna cut it down the middle. Okay. And I'm gonna get a bowl. Be careful. All right, so now I'm going to add my sausage. And I'm just gonna let these cook. So I'm gonna let these cook a little bit more, and then I'm gonna add the onions. All right, so now I'm gonna add the onions. I'm just gonna let these cook for about 4 more minutes, and then I'm gonna add the cabbage. And I could season like this, but I'm just gonna season it all at once with the cabbage. Alright, so I'm just gonna let these cook. Alright, y'all, so now I'm about to add in the cabbage. Still some chunks in there, but it is what it is. And people say that the cabbage makes its own like water or whatever, but somebody said add some chicken broth in there instead of water, so I'm gonna do that. Now I don't know how much, but I'm not gonna put the whole thing in there. And we didn't have like the ones that was like in the little twisty thingy, so I just used this can. Alright, so now I'm gonna add my seasonings. So we have some crushed red pepper. I don't know where we got this from, but some seasoned salt. some onion powder. Sorry, I had to open it. Let's hope this stuff don't be salty, because I do not know how to season worth of nothing. Okay, some salt. Well, we're not gonna put too much. And black pepper. Black folks love their black pepper. Me personally, I don't, but we're just gonna put it in there. So let's start that up. I gotta sneeze. I guess not. Oh, I pray this is not salty. Y'all, this is nasty. I'm gonna tell y'all. If it's good, just know I'll be feeling myself, because most of the time I cook is epic fail. Or so I think. Most people say it's alright, but me, I be feeling like I can do better. But we about to see. I'm gonna turn this on medium. Let it sit. I don't know how long. We're just gonna let it get as tender as we want it to be, and then take it out. I'm gonna cover it and let it sit. So let's check it. Smelling good. Smelling good. Now I don't know what the heck to do with these chunks. Well, I'm just gonna leave them. Somebody eat them. Alright, so let's check it. It should be almost done, but I don't know. Looking good, smelling good. I think I should do like a taste test. I don't know, it said like we can just cook it until it's like tender enough for us, but we got to see. Alright, so I'm gonna try it. You know, it seems still like it's a little hard. Ooh. But it's not quite tender enough for me.
You don't like it?
No, girl's good. Surprisingly. Alright, y'all. This is just taking forever. I'm hungry. But it's smelling good. Looking good. I feel like it's done. But I don't know. I know like my cabbage is crunchy. But I don't know how crunchy is crunchy. Alright, I'm about to taste it again. Well, stop playing. You're just busting. And I think it's done, so. Alright, y'all, so this is the end product. Tell me what you think. Alright, so I'm about to have her taste it. And she's a very picky eater, so if she don't like it, I ain't gonna get mad.
Okay. It's good.
Okay. All right, so I guess now my reaction. I'm a bit nervous, even though I already tasted it, but.
Do you like it?
Girl, yeah.
I love it.
This was my first time cooking cabbage stew, so
It is.
proud of myself. But and we believe in paper plates and back in plastic forks over here, honey. Who better wash dishes? Well, I guess that's the end of the video. If y'all want to do some more cooking with me, let me know. Let me know what to cook or whatever. All right, see you next video. How was it?
It is really good. Y'all almost got Uncle James.
No, stop.